Exoplanets are defined as planets orbiting other stars outside of our own solar system. They come in a huge variety, from beautiful Earth-like environments to worlds nicknamed hell planets for their merciless surfaces. You'll find everything from planets made of diamond to planets in a deep freeze. Planets so close to their stars that their mass is being ripped away every second, and planets so far from their sun, we still aren't sure how it's possible for them to exist. Some planets are rogues and wander in darkness through our universe. Others have such long years that 1 year in their world is equal to 900,000 years on ours. To date, we have 3,730 confirmed exoplanets, 2,724 potential candidates to be exoplanets, and 2,783 planetary systems. Read a list of some of the wildest and most terrifying of these planets. Cancri 7b. It has a size of a little more than 1.5 Earths, an orbital period of 20 hours or 0.9 Earth days, and is 1.5 billion years old. The reason why the sunrise on this planet looks so intense is because it's 60 times closer to its star than we are to our sun. That is, Cancri 7b's star is 360 times larger in the sky. On its day side, this planet can reach 4,700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt and vaporize rock. Condensation during cooler fronts causes pebbles to form and then rocks to rain down. Theoretical models also give the planet boiling oceans and lava. This planet is locked into position with this fire and brimstone half always facing the sun. The other half of the planet is bitter cold and can reach -392 degrees Fahrenheit, hence why it is said to be two hells in one. When discovered in 2009, Cancri 7b was thought to be the first rocky, Earth-like exoplanet discovered. However, we now classify it as uninhabitable and place the probability of life on this world as none. It's believed to have formed as a gas giant 100 times the size of Earth. As it migrated closer to its star, it shed gas until only a rocky core was left. 4. Cancri 436b. It's about as big as Neptune, and in orbital period 2.6 Earth days, 30 light years away from Earth, lies the planet Cancri 436b, a planet a mere 2.5 million miles from its star. Its temperature is about 822 degrees Fahrenheit, certainly hot enough to evaporate water. And yet this planet is so fascinating precisely because its water remains in solid form. That is, Cancri 436b is a planet of burning ice. This isn't the kind of ice you find here on Earth, but rather a special one called Ice 5 that results when it has a denser and more crystalline structure. Scientists believe this ice formed due to the strong gravitational force at the planet's core. The contradictions for Cancri 436b don't end there. Its outer layer of hydrogen and helium gas should result in high levels of methane. Yet scientists are seeing over 7,000 times less methane than what should exist on the planet. Instead, there are huge quantities of carbon monoxide, which may come from the planet's core where the temperatures are sweltering. 355 Cancri E has a size of about 2 Earths, an orbital period of 0.7 Earth days. Also known as Jensen, this planet is 40 light years away and is most famously known for being 1/3 diamond. This could be the result of an atmosphere that's mostly carbon, allowing the heat and pressure from both its sun and its interior to compress the planet's mass into diamond. It is currently valued at $26.9 million. Similar to Cancri 7b, Jensen is tidal-locked and has one side of the planet that always faces the sun and the other which is perpetually in darkness. It's so close to its star that water cannot exist in a liquid state and instead exists in a supercritical state, a strange behavior somewhere between a liquid and a gas. Whether on the ridiculously hot side of the planet where temperatures reach 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit or in the dark twilight zone, there's no chance you'll survive on Jensen. The added kick here is that the Hubble detected what could be hydrogen cyanide oozing from below the planet's surface, giving us a superheated poisonous fluid. 2. Wasp 12b has a size of 1.8 Jupiters, an orbital period of 1.1 Earth days. It's strange to see a planet stretch out into such an elongated shape, and yet that's exactly what the gravity of the parent star of Wasp 12b is doing. The planet is estimated to have only 10 million years left to live as it gets ripped apart and consumed by its sun at a rate of about 189 quadrillion tons every year. Its sun isn't the only one doing the consuming, however. Wasp 12b was a surprise to scientists who weren't expecting to see such a pitch-black exoplanet. The world has a unique property where it absorbs, instead of reflects, 94% of light. It has been called black as asphalt. 1. TRAPPIST 1b. A size about the size of Earth and an orbital period of 1.5 Earth days. In a system with 7 planets and 1 red star at its center, views from the dark side could have 6 bright red moons in the sky. They're not actually moons, but are instead 6 large worlds reflecting light, 3 of them which are within the system's habitable zone. The planet is hot and is estimated to have, along with the other planets in its system, a combined figure of 250 times more water than we do here on Earth. Planets in this system might be up to 5% water, whereas our planet is only 0.02% water. At least 2 of TRAPPIST planets are thought to have liquid water, whereas water on TRAPPIST 1b would be in vapor form. This planet is also thought to be a rocky world, like Earth, and not a gas giant like Jupiter. If you're captivated by the strange and terrifying wonders of the universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Join our community of cosmic explorers and never miss out on our captivating journeys. Remember to keep looking up, as there are countless wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time.